guys, Daniel from Carbonwurks here, and quick overview on the front bumper vent ducts, or however you want to call them. So much like all the other parts, 2x2 Twill Autoclave carbon fibre. So these are quite an effective part. They are direct replicas of the M Performance parts, or rather than the M Performance parts, the parts you can get directly from BMW from factory. So this normally will come, if you've ordered the carbon pack, you'll get a few other little options. This is something that if you haven't ordered those, that you would potentially need to buy to finish the package off. So relatively simple installation in the way they are just clipped in. There is a few little bits and pieces with this, given the fact that you've got to remove the front bumper, and there's obviously a few different vents and bits and pieces that need to be removed as part of the installation process. So it is a body shop recommendation, this one. But as you can see, it is a very simple looking part when it's installed. It's just a nice couple cutouts that help with a little bit of cooling. So they are actually purposeful, these. They're not just purely cosmetic. But yeah, really nice finishing part. It goes well with a few of the other parts on the car if you're just looking for your little trim additions. So hope you enjoyed the video.